You've just swapped your old AI model for a shiny new one, and the main demo looks perfect. But a week later, you're drowning in support tickets because the new model completely forgets how to process refunds. As a product manager, you care because silent failures kill user trust way faster than loud bugs. It usually takes about 3 days for a silent regression to tank your App Store rating. Think of it like subbing a rookie in for your veteran point guard. To see if the swap actually works, you run your standard plays and watch the court. You don't just check the final score. You watch what quietly stops working when the rookie gets the ball. In AI, swapping that player is called a model swap. And when the rookie forgets a play, that's a regression. Step 1 is recording the baseline. You save the exact answers your old model gave to 1,000 test questions. Step 2 is running the same plays. You feed those exact same questions to the new model behind the scenes. Then you compare the two outputs to see where they diverge. Here's where the sports metaphor breaks down, because an AI doesn't just have a bad game or get tired. Humans forget things randomly, but AI fails on specific, hidden edge cases every single time. Say you're swapping a big, expensive model for a smaller one to save money on your email summarization feature. The new model scores great on speed and accuracy during your basic tests. But it suddenly starts using casual slang in professional emails, which your basic tests completely missed. Your first move is to build a golden dataset. Collect 500 real user prompts that cover every weird edge case. Next, run shadow evals. Test the new model on this dataset before it ever touches real users. Finally, set a hard gate. If the new model drops below your baseline on any critical metric, it doesn't ship. Block the release if tone drops, if safety flags trigger, or if refund intents fail. You can't just trust the happy path when you change the engine under the hood. Test the edges, not just the demo. Catch regressions before your users do. See you in the next lesson.